bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food. Spanish town.
Which one of you guys love bulla? Let me know down in the comments who love bulla. I'm here eating bulla and cheese for breakfast. Honestly, that's what I feel for. I haven't eaten bulla in a long time. Lord God, look at my talk crawl out me eye. Lord God. Sorry guys, I just woke up not too long ago. And I never washed my face yet. I was just cleaning out the room a little bit. But bulla, this one is so nice and soft and has ginger and it just My time is counting down. Today is Tuesday. I'm leaving on Saturday, which I don't want to leave on Saturday, but I have to. I don't have to, but I have to. So I'm starting to get a little sad. I don't know, when I'm here I'm at peace. And it's not because my husband is here, because a lot of people think that because I only want to be here because my husband. No. From me a young girl, Jamaica's just my peace. So guys, these type of juices, home style, the best. It's like fresh fruit juice. The best. My favorite is the pineapple orange and the fruit punch. That one tastes really good too. That one's mango carrot. But those juices, if you're looking for like fresh juices, I recommend that. And it like obviously has sugar, but it's not like, you know, some juice where you drink down here like it's overly sweet. Like juices down here is very sweet, but that one, it just tastes fresh and natural, so I love it. Hey guys, what's up? So today me and babe we're gonna go do like a little photo shoot. See babe there. We are leaving now. Boy, I would have on the bottom of my shoes. I hate when random stuff just come on my shoes. I know, right? It can take long. Yes, we're going now. Watch out now. Same here, my head hot me. Didn't you have your phone in the bathroom? Oh God. Outside is bright and shiny. Yeah guys, so we're heading out now to the fit. All white. Yeah, got my headband, beauty box accessories as always. Glasses, beauty box accessories as always. So I just put on like minimal makeup, like the minimum, not even no eyebrow or nothing, literally just foundation and stuff. Yes, because I barely put on anything on my face. The minimum, like, look. Oh Lord. Alright. Well, bright outside. I need to definitely take a snap because I'm kind of feeling how I look still. And today is hotter than normal. Way hotter than before. I'm feeling how I'm looking still. I feel myself. Get out my mask. Up to now I can't believe I want children's mask I have. That's crazy. Boy. Guys, we just got done our photo shoot, so yeah, we're just about to go look at our the ones that we just took, and we're gonna choose.
You go look for them. You know say if you keep on dropping them, I'll catch up.
But I wasn't gonna drop though.
If you will drop,
the name never drop. Oh yeah, you can take.
I know. I feel like cook it mistakes, isn't it? Want to chop on and out, then food and boil, but
So we're gonna check our photo. Hey guys, so I'm vlogging on Kemar's phone. Now I go downtown to go pick up the picture them that we took yesterday. I was just seasoning up some chicken to do fried chicken. So when I come back, I will show you guys when I fry the chicken, because I'm not frying it on the regular stove. I'm gonna fry it on a coal pot. So I'm just gonna go and wait for the taxi. Check you guys later. So guys, I never got to get the pictures. When I went there, the place was locked. Like, if you guys are closed at 5, stay there till 5. You never know who's coming, you know. But look like me, I have to go back tomorrow, which I was not trying to. But anyways, I have to buy stuff to bring up to Canada, so might as well do some shopping tomorrow too, right? I buy some Pepsi so we can drink. They're setting up the Coalpot and all those things. You're not in the picture. So what this is, you put the coal inside and you light it and you catch it on fire. So we do, you stack up some block and put the coal pot on top. Okay, so that's how we are deal with it now. Right now we make come down for we. You see it's getting dark, so we're gonna be doing this in the night. Lord Jesus, you know you broke up my toe. I'm just watching the process.
Let me tell you if you're going now.
Baby just spraying in the coal now.
Watch it, man. Watch it.
The coal here. In Canada, my stepfather, I use my gas pan in barbecue, we use coal as well. I don't know about you guys, but coal gives like food a different type of taste. Like it's like if you had jerk chicken or if you had a burger, it just gives it one different taste. Yeah. Wild now. Let me step back, yeah. So yeah, catch. It's very warm. Right now you should have some marshmallow pan some stick. Hey. We're camping, yeah? Yes, we're camping, babe. Me, I move like a bat. Camping is fun. Whatever. Yeah? Whatever. Yeah, man, let's go camp in the woods. We not try style of thing. We can't style. We can't go camp in the woods, man. I know it's hard to see because I am in the dark. I can't believe we're about to do this in the dark. I need to go. I already seasoned up and stuff the chicken, so I need to go make the flour. I already made like a buttermilk type of batter, and I'm gonna dip it in the flour, so you know it can go taste nice and be a thing. Waaah. I make you catch palm, yeah? Caveman. Man like them, I can survive in the woods, so I don't see nothing wrong with camping.
What do I say? Man like who can survive what?
In the woods.
Why if you're chatting, brother? What kind of talking you say right this and that?
What?
None of them snagging,
What you say?
None of them snagging.
Man no deal with nothing when name wood.
Man can't survive in no wood, brother. What you doing? I don't care, brother. Lock all that, man. Dash it up.
Dash it up. Yo, we say, yo, Jamaican men are so extra, yo. Extra. Non-stop. Non-stop. Jesus, mosquito them a bite me up now. My God. I'm gonna go prepare the flour now. So when the chicken and stuff is frying, I will catch you guys back. It did not work out for us. The last clip, you seen us like, you saw the fire come up, but honestly, no coal, no fire, no catch. So we're just gonna do it the regular way on the stove. That's how it goes still, and then we're trying to redo it the right way, and then rain is like starting to drizzle. Like we're just not meant to do it out there, you know.
Yo, don't unpack it ever see like.
Alright, baby. Oh, see the lighter here. This one, blue one. So we're just gonna light the stove. Guys, let me tell you guys a secret. Me don't know if you operate gas stove. Oh God. Oh, I'm ashamed. I don't know how to operate a gas stove. So every time Kemar is always like trying to teach me, but it never work out. But we're gonna try it on the pot now and yeah, get to cooking. So here I got my fries frying. Don't mind the little black spots because I also fried the chicken in here. Yeah. So guys, here is my chicken and chips. That one there, honestly the fire was so hot when I put it in, so that's why it looks so good. Yeah, about to devour it now and see how it tastes.